Hola YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the crazy familia. And if you're already been here, ya tú sabes que tú eres parte de la familia. That means you already know you're part of the family, honey. I have a, what is this, hair here? Alright, so today's video, I am so excited. I have to hit you with the nails, you know what I mean, the extraness here. Today we're gonna be doing a reality versus expectation video. Recently I went shopping at Pretty Little Things. I kind of went ham. I spent like $400 on just clothes because I don't have any clothes because I gain more weight and the stuff that I bought before don't fit me anymore. So I need a clothes. I need a clothes for right now. I've been working out for 2 weeks and eating really good, so my body's gonna start changing from now on. I'm very excited. I'm in a new like healthy journey, lifestyle change situation, and I'm very happy. So just even making this video is a little uncomfortable for me because I'm not used to seeing my body how it is now. I am way bigger than my other video when I did like full body. And one thing, if you have anything negative to say, please, I beg you, just keep it to yourself. Like I already know, you know, I don't need to hear nothing. I already know myself. Okay, so thank you so much. We're just gonna go there. But other than that, I'm excited to show you guys the clothes. I opened some of them today and I was like a little weirded out because it didn't look like I look on the website. And then like right on my mind, I was like, I need to do a reality versus expectation video because sometimes we forget that the model doesn't come with the clothes. And we just get it because it's cute. You put it on, you're disappointed, like, dang, it don't look like that on me. It wasn't gonna look that on you anyways. So yeah, let's get started. Try some clothes on and let's have fun. Let's get it. This one is a plus black cold shoulder ring detail blazer dress. This one was valued for $38. I'm gonna go ahead and put the picture of the model right here so you guys could see the reality versus expectation. She's like this. One leg is front, like this. She has like, the arm is here so it shows the gap of the waist, that's the point. She's looking. Reality versus expectation. Is it expectation or reality? Okay, this one right here, I feel like it is reality. Like, it looks the same how it looks here. She's just smaller than me. But I like this dress. It's really cute. I also got this one in pink. But I got it in a smaller size because they didn't have an extra. They didn't have a size. What size is this? They didn't have a size 14 and I got it in a size 12. Should I try it on for you guys so you guys can see the color different? Maybe I am gonna try it. But I really like this dress. It's cute. You guys know I hate showing my arms, so it's like a little sexy little here, but it's like covered. But I like it. It's cute for something. I don't know what I would use this for. I literally don't even know why I bought it. It's worth, and I think it's worth the $38. What do you guys think of this one? The plus black cold shoulder ring detail blazer dress. Are we feeling it? Are we feeling it? I'm kind of feeling it. It's cute. I like it. Okay, next. All right, so this is the next one. This one is the plus red floral tie waist blouse. This one was $38. I really don't know how to feel about this one. It's just too much alboroto. I don't know how to say alboroto in English. It's just too much going on. Like I kind of like it and I kind of don't. And she's wearing it and she has a very open here, and I don't like showing my boobs like that. So I think that I would use it like if I'm going to the beach or something like that, kind of like a cover up. I like it for that. I'm like in about it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the expectation right here so you guys see it. She's standing like this. Put the arm down. Reality versus expectation. What do we feel like? Yeah, it's cute. It just doesn't look like hers. The model didn't come. The body of the model didn't come with the situation. I like it, but I don't know what would I use it with. You know, it's cute. What do you guys think of this one? She has it very open. I'm not doing all that. All right, next. This one right here, I was the most excited about. Literally. That's why I don't get excited about it because this one is a reality versus expectations all the way. This one is a plus white stripe frill detail wrap dress. It was $25. I'm not gonna open this because you guys are gonna see all the boobies and I'm not gonna give you that flash. I look like Beetlejuice, okay? Plus size Beetlejuice. It's not happening. I don't like it. It's ugly and it's ugly. It doesn't look nothing how it looks in the picture. Again, the body didn't come with the dress. Okay, so here we go. Reality versus expectations. Go ahead and take a look at it. Go ahead. What do you guys think? She's all like, I didn't like this. I'm not gonna open this because if I open it, there's like just a lot of boobs. It's just so, like, you see this? See how open it is? Like, what? What is this? Una pijama. I don't, this makes me mad. What is this? Like, for real, I can't take this one serious. Next, this is horrible. Ugly, looking like Freddy Krueger plus my sister. Gotta go. Next. All right, so this one right here is the next one. This is the plus white cold shoulder frill hem top. See, they're just crushing my leg. You wanna come up here? Come, boys. Come. He's looking at me like I'm crazy. This is $28. Again, the model body didn't come with it. I would not wear this. Like, you will not catch me wearing this. Never. Because this shirt would cause people to ask me, how many months are you? And I'm not dealing with that right now. So yeah, it's really cute. It's just, it makes me look pregnant. Like I'm about to, like I'm good 6 months, something like that. So we're not dealing with that. So we're just gonna leave that. It's a really cute top, but I don't know. I'm gonna have her right here. Reality versus expectations, so you guys can see how it looks like. And my boobs are just wow. Her boobs are more lower, mine are just so much. So I wouldn't be wearing this. This is too much for me. How do you guys feel about this one? No me gusta. Reality versus expectation. Literally 6 months. People will ask, and like people are so out of pocket. They still ask, oh my gosh, you're pregnant? No, I'm fat. Leave me alone. Next. This one right here, I kind of like it. Like when I find some good pantalones to go with this, I will totally rock this. This is the plus black CHEVRON tie front crop top. This one was $28. It has a little set. I think I'm gonna go ahead and buy the pants because I really like this top. And like the boobie shows, but it's like minimal. You know, like a little bit of cleavage. I just have to find like a good, I'm just trying to buy this thing. So when I like it, I'm gonna buy the pants because I really like it. This is not my gordo that I normally use. This is just some workout pants that I just threw in there. I was like, whatever. But I like this one a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and put the picture. Wait. I'm gonna go ahead and put the picture. For reality versus expectation, she's something like this. Wait, the booby is showing. To my boobies. I have to find a boob bra for this. She's like this. Wait, why is it showing the boobs so much? She's like this. Like this. The leg is open? How's this? Reality versus expectation. This one is reality. Like it looks how it looks of the thing. Again, it didn't come with the body of the model, but this one is cute. I like this one a lot. It makes me feel very like señorita Latina, something like that. And I'm feeling it, so I like it. What do you guys think of this one? Find some cute pants to go with it. I would totally rock it out. Yeah, why not? Why not? Next. Okay, this is the next one. This one is the Plastone Rip Bando crop top, $18, and the pantalones are plus MIDWASH skinny jeans. These ones are a little too big for me. I like my jeans to suck the life out of me. It's just a problem. Like with me, it's problem buying like literally jeans. I prefer just using yoga pants until I get smaller, and then I find a size. So yeah, this one didn't like it. Love the top. Love the top. My boobs look cute in it. Maybe because of the cut. I love that, but just this pantalones, no me gusta. I will wear this with like a pencil skirt, really cute. Here's a picture. I'll put the picture right here from the model. She's like, I'll give it to you like this. Reality versus expectations. Here we are. She's so pretty. I follow her on Instagram. She's gorgeous. Like her body is beautiful. That's how I want to be. Just like her size. She's like a size, I think 12. And she's tall too, so yeah. We have reality versus expectations. Top, I love. Jeans, no. I'm not a jeans girl, I love yoga pants, so I'm like whatever. But this one right here, I love it so much. My gordurita is showing, it is what it is. We have gordurita. It is what it is. All right, next. Okay, this one right here, I freaking love it. This is the plus light blue jersey blazer detail thong bodysuit. I didn't, well, let me just tuck this thing in here, whatever. I love this one with different jeans or something. And the model, she looks so pretty with this on. It don't look like that on me, but I like it. I like it because the boobies, like you could go really big with, my boobs are too big. I can't be like showing cleavage because I look like a prostitute. I hate showing my boobs too much. I'm gonna go ahead and put the picture here so you guys can look. Reality versus expectations right now. Don't she look bomb? She looks amazing. I'm like, watch until I get my size. You guys are, listen, I'm gonna get the size that I want. Oh, I can't wait. But yeah, it's cute. But it don't look like hers. I forgot it doesn't come with the model once again. Is it worth $25? Yeah, it's cute. It's a really, really cute top. Fits it really nice. Have a nice little bra on. Just my boobs are just way too huge. That's the problem. But yeah, reality versus expectation. Next, what's next? What should I wear next? Next one is a charcoal blue zip front sweater. I love this one. It just kind of reminds me of like GC, what's his name, Kanye West, or like for cheaper. This one was, how much was this? $25. It is a crop top, and you can wear it with shorts or jeans, whatever you want. Right now, the way my midsection is set up, I won't wear this like this because just it doesn't make me comfortable. So I probably will use them just to record videos until I get comfortable to show this little area like this. But I like this one. They're comfortable and they're cute. I got this one in the color cream. Okay, so the model right here, she's so pretty. Reality versus expectations. What do we think? It is reality. It's the same. She's just smaller. It's different. I like it. I like it. Cute. Cute, whatever. So the next one is a cream sit front sweater. It's the same one as the other, just cream. I love it. I love them so much. I just will wear away into this mix section, go away. I also got like a bunch of these shorts. I got them in black, white, red, not white. I got them in cream, black, like camel, because I like wearing camel. But I wear these ones with like oversized sweater, like things that hit me like here. Just very comfy for some tennis shoes on and you're ready to go. I won't wear it like this because just the way that my midsection is working out, it's not the business. I'm gonna go ahead and put the model right here. Reality versus expectations. Right here. Just like poking it out like this. The shirt is like the same. I love it. I love it so much. This is right here is one of the items that I got. I'm not gonna put it on because I have makeup on and it's gonna get in the collar and I don't want that. I wear this one with this kind of pants. Wear like a black one. So cute, like shorts. It looks super, super cute. This is like an oversized sweater. But I'm not gonna wear that because I'm gonna put makeup on it and I don't feel like doing that. So yeah, but this right here is cute. I love the top. Like I said, we work this out and then I show it off. It is what it is. Next. And also this one is the pink one, exactly like the black one that I tried on first. I just don't feel like putting it on because I don't want to get makeup on it. This one is a size 12 and the black one that I put on is a size 14. So yeah, this is like the baby color. I just feel like this one's gonna be a little too small for me, so I don't even want to try it because if I do, it's gonna make me sad. But I'm gonna wait, you know. I lose like 10 pounds. If I lose like 15 pounds, I'll wear it. But it's really, really cute. I love this one. This one just is, the color, you guys know I love pink. So this is the last thing, and then I also bought some earrings. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm sitting down. But this is the try on, reality versus expectations. I'll be back. All right, so we're back. What do you guys think of the outfits? To tell you the truth, for me, I just needed clothes. That just was the thing. Like, I don't feel comfortable wearing nothing that I put on. Like, I literally don't, because I'm not comfortable in this size that I am right now. I'm keeping it 100 and transparent with you guys. But I need to wear clothes. I need to buy some cute things for at least when I put makeup on, or so I'll go somewhere I need to look presentable. That's the only reason why I bought some stuff. I'm not gonna entertain this weight. This is the biggest that I have ever been, and it doesn't feel good. It doesn't, like, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. When I was like, my perfect size where I was comfortable, it was like 185. Now that I'm 220, it's kind of like a wake up call, like, I need to get just my life healthy, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm taking it slow and I'm gonna get there, okay? So just letting you guys know. So I did get some accessories from there also. I got like this colorful like earrings. They're just so cute. Like they're very springy, summery, and I got them in yellow. I got them in red. Well, those are gold. These are yellow. rose gold, because you guys know I love rose gold. He's over here dying because I'm not paying enough attention to him. That's the thing. Okay, these orange ones are so cute. It's like a little heart. So I just kind of got those because summer and spring and I want to wear some color. Are you alright, puppies? Ven, come here. Venga. I'm not paying no attention to him. So he's like a little, like, he gets in his feelings. Such a baby. Alright guys, so we came to the end of the video. I really hope that you guys enjoy this try on reality versus, what is it? Reality versus expectations. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to do this try on because I don't know if a lot of you guys are dealing with this kind of situation that I deal with. So I want you guys to relate to me. I feel like sometimes influencers, we come across like everything is perfection life and cookie cutter situation. I'm like far away from that. Listen, don't put me in that category because I'm a mess and I need Jesus every day. but yeah, thank you so much for watching. Comment below and let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys on my next video. I might do another one if I lose like 20 pounds, and the reason I keep losing weight, I'm gonna do some, but I want to get back to doing like try-ons and things like that. But let me tell you, when my body transformation is over this year, I'm gonna be the best that I ever been in my life. That's like my promise. This year is just for restoring and cleaning my life out. Next year for me, if I'm still alive, we don't know if we're gonna wake up tomorrow. So, you know, but if I'm still alive next year or whatever, I promise that I'm gonna look bomb. That's the promise to myself and I am breaking it. All right? Thank you so much for watching, like I said, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Ciao. Besitos. This one right here is on his feelings. He just don't want to. He's on his feelings. Bye.